Alright, so we're on. Now, in this video, we are working on, of course, electromagnetic field theory. Field theory is the course, and electromagnetic field theory. And we'll just do introduction in this video. Introduction to electromagnetic field theory, and in other videos, of course, some other things. So, you're welcome. Now, why am I laughing? So, we'll start with definition of electromagnetic field theory, and the definition is this simple, like it's just straightforward. It's just straightforward as this. The point is, when we say electromagnetic field theory, we are talking about interaction, mainly interaction. And interaction is between two. One is the electromagnetic and electrically charged particles. Then the other is our forces, and the forces, they are electromagnetic forces. So when we have let's say this is our charged particle, electrically charged particle, okay, electron, and then we have force, of course, lines of forces, electromagnetic forces. Now, how these two, how they interact, how these guys interact with each other, this, to describe this interaction, is what we mean as electromagnetic field theory. Not just, let me add everything. The interaction between this guy and this other, that's just it. Okay? And note that particles, electrically charged particles, but like particles in general. But in this case, we are talking about field theory. Particles, they have two things. They have magnitude and they have direction. And from physics, of course, everything is physics, okay? So from physics, we recall that once we are talking about having magnitude and having direction, that's a vector. Okay, that's a vector. So, and in our next video, we'll talk on vectors, vector algebra, in our next video. So, after the definition, the next thing we have here, under introduction, are the areas of application. Since we know now that electromagnetic field theory describes the interaction between electrically charged particles and electromagnetic forces, since we now know this description is about field theory, is about this description, not just field theory, electromagnetic field theory. Now, which areas in life are these things applied? So, areas of application of electromagnetic field theory: electrical engineering, that's obvious, telecommunication, electronic devices, medical imaging, and radar technology. Now, of course, in electrical engineering, it has to do with power generation, transmission, and distribution. This field theory plays a vital role in power generation, transmission, and distribution. Also in telecommunication, our radio, microwave, optical communication, it plays a vital role. And of course, I can just read up the rest, okay? Device and circuit communication system. Then in medical imaging, creating detailed images in MRI and PET scans. And for radar technology, of course, weather forecasting, and also navigation and surveillance. Okay. Now, this is just introduction to field theory, and I said something when we defined field theory. We said something that particles. Okay. I just use E here. Okay. I just use E to represent electrically charged particles. But I said something that these particles, they have two things which are kind of obvious, or should I say obvious, or they stand out, and that's the fact that magnitude and then direction. Yeah, magnitude and direction. So particles, they have magnitude and they have direction. This is the idea of a vector. So in our next video, we are going to study or we're going to see what we mean by vector, okay, which will be here, vector, and how we can operate and work with vectors. Okay, because we can manipulate vectors, then yeah, we'll do well and even go further in this study of electromagnetic field theory. Okay, so our next video will be on vectors. So yeah, in this video we just talked about the definition of electromagnetic field theory. In this video we talked about the definition, or we defined electromagnetic field theory, and we talked about the areas where field theory can be applied. Okay, and we said electromagnetic field theory describes the interaction between electrically charged particles and electromagnetic forces. So of course, if you have any question and any comment, anything, just put it in the comment section, okay? And then note that this is part of the series class recap where we study together. So I'm a student, okay? I'm a student here. And then yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, click on the notification bell so that when I upload a video next, you see it on time. And then like, and then subscribe. See you in the next video. Also share. See you in the next video. Bye for now.